Your practice creates data all day. Is it telling you anything? Revenue, visits, claims, no-shows. Scattered numbers, buried in different screens. DocVilla Analytics gives you one holistic view of your entire practice. See revenue, encounters, and patients at a glance. Then drill down from big picture to line item. Slice and dice any report across providers and locations and export it to Excel in one click. Spot denial trends, no-show patterns, and unrealized revenue before they cost you. Custom reports, built for your practice. Role-based access included. DocVilla. Analytics and reports inside your cloud EHR. Schedule your free demo at DocVilla.com.